I have a love-hate relationship with money, and it has plagued me all my adult life. It's taken me 2 decades to free myself from the slew of bad money habits and operate around it with less emotions. In business, emotion and money just don't mix. When it comes to my money beliefs, it's important to understand specifically as an entrepreneur what I'm bringing to the table when connecting with a potential client in the areas of money. I have to have my money energy running clean and clear, so I'm able to take a powerful stand for the full value and worth of my services. Potential clients are attracted to my business because I offer package value. I give my potential customer choices, so they focus on the value of my services. And my rates reflect my value. I'm bold and guarantee my services because it speaks what I have control over and what services you receive. The power of my guarantees give my business strength. With that strength demonstrates increased value. My business is based on my expertise and the value I deliver to my customers. Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Swabby Dobby.